Hey all, welcome back to my channel and the most luxurious resort of Dubai. I wish कि मेरी हर सुबह ऐसे व्यू के साथ हो but बस थोड़ी धूप कम और छाँव ज़्यादा हो. I know it's not possible in Dubai. Well, this palm view room is amazing, spacious, and if you want to see room tour, check description box for the link. Waiting for this morning in Atlantis from long. So that is why दिन की शुरुआत एक कड़क चाय और अच्छी lavish breakfast के साथ शुरू करते हैं. आज breakfast बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि आज हमें चाहिए ढेर सारी energy not only for exploring this huge resort, also because we have lot of activity and other things to do.
Hello, morning. You got your bracelet?
Yeah.
May I scan? Thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much. Hi. Thank you. Okay, brother.
तो अब हम जा रहे हैं वाटर पार्क. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली वॉकेबल बट इट्स डैम सनी सो वी टुक बगी. बाय द वे इट्स फ्री बगी सर्विस हेयर. But before jumping into any water activity, you need to get a locker for yourself to keep your belongings and sleepers. Yes, sleepers. Once you say goodbye to your sleepers and started walking barefoot over heated floor, the actual adventure begins. This is a huge water park divided into multiple towers, and all towers have different type of fun and adventurous water activities. Look at me, I started with lazy river ride under open sky, so no way to escape from tanning. ये दुबई का most visited and famous water park है. Not only Atlantis guests बल्कि outside visitors भी यहाँ अलग से tickets लेके आ सकते हैं. That is why weekend में मतलब Friday and Saturday को बहुत crowded होता है. Well, for some water activities you need to pay extra, like swimming and photography with dolphin and sea lion. Miss this place. It's Atlantis entry site, perfect evening spot. यहाँ आपको क्या मिलेगा? Top branded cars, fresh air, wave sitting sound and pics with full Atlantis as a background. Now come, let's lost in Lost Chamber Aquarium. I hope you all heard about Lost City of Atlantis. That's how Atlantis sank underwater. If not, you can check on internet. Well, let me tell you, this entire aquarium themed is based on Lost City of Atlantis. और बिल्कुल यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस पाने के लिए और मरीन लाइफ को और भी पास से देखने के लिए यहाँ पे आप अंडर वाटर हेलमेट डाइविंग भी कर सकते हैं. इसी बीच someone have noticed me and took U-turn. Let me introduce this fish. It's called manta ray, and this manta ray is asking to join them, but I'm so sorry. I'm not a big fan of deep diving. Look at this, just some inches of glass wall in between you and some creatures like piranha, shark. This sounds good. Well, looks good too. Quite interesting. I mean, here you can spot all type of big to small creatures around you. बहुत फिश देख लिया आज हमने. Enough now. It's time to taste them. I mean, if you are a seafood lover, I'm going for dinner now. ये अंडर वाटर इम्पीरियल लॉन्च है, बट हम यहाँ डिनर के लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं। आफ्टर ऑल 200+ डिशेज वेटिंग फॉर मी समवेयर एल्स, तो हम यहाँ क्यों जाए। हम यहाँ से सीधे नीचे जाएंगे एंड ऑन द वे वी हैव लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शंस लाइक ओशन थीम्ड रॉयल आर्ट्स इज फोर्सिंग मी टू स्टॉप एंड टेक पिक्चर्स। Once you entered into Saffron, believe me, you have to say, "खो गए हम कहाँ?" What to taste and what not, my dear viewers, जो भी foodie है like me, keep this in your bucket list for unique and top-class dining experience. You have desserts that to serve with real gold paper, sweets and savories, chocolate dips, ice creams, fruits, Asian dishes, the whole bread shop, crazy varieties of meats and meats. Seafood, sushis and many more unlimited things. To watch full video of Saffron's 200 dishes, check description box for link. After heavy meal, what else? I really need fresh air and work to digest, so let's go out. दिन में एटलांटिस कैसे दिखता है वो तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, लेकिन रात
See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more, but I don't want this anymore. Cause baby we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life.
My next destination is most iconic, most world famous, tallest structure बुर्ज खलीफा, और हम यहाँ हाई राइज फ्लोर पे 1 नाइट स्टे करने वाले हैं। लेकिन कहाँ और कैसे स्टे किया वो जानने के लिए यू हैव टू वॉच माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो। सो बाय फॉर नाउ।
You that watch.